Hey there guys, my name is Marquez, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can easily change brightness in Battlefield 2042. If this video will be helpful, definitely write it down below in the comments and you can like this video for other people to know too. So the first thing that you want to do is next to the quit, you can see options. Click on options and right here you want to go on the display. Here you want to scroll down below and you're going to see brightness. And you want to like increase it or decrease it. That's completely up to you, but this is pretty much how we do it. So again, you're in brightness and you change that to whatever you want. And this is pretty much how we can change brightness in Battlefield 2042. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, ask it down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.